From my recent research, I came to understand that so many people don't really know what affiliate means. Let me put it simply this way: a middleman or a middlewoman. Yes, a subordinate or a subsidiary associate, a person who is affiliated with another or with an organization who receives a commission for each visit, sign up or sale they generate for a merchant, the owner of the business or a company. Have you ever visited a shop and asked for something and the shop owner or another person standing by says, "Let me quickly get it for you"? This individual is not the owner of the store you came to, and certainly not the owner of the one he or she is going to pick whatever you came for from. Now, in affiliate marketing, it's more like doing the same thing, but this time it's from home, online, helping someone to see what they are looking for without buying or selling, and you get paid for it. Affiliate marketing is growing so rapidly. Statistics show that up to 80% of brands worldwide use affiliate programs. This is one of the most popular ways of advertising. Shopping online has risen above all other methods of buying and selling in recent times. It's going to even escalate more in 2023, with people spending more time at home. This trend has allowed companies to move their operations online, providing multiple opportunities for online marketers, both beginners and non-beginners, with low risk and low investment costs. Another group of people think video content is just all about showcasing their beauty and random videos of events they went to. The truth is, video content is becoming one of the leading trends in affiliate marketing when it comes to strategies. Platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok have become one of the leading conversational ways to share content, ideas, promotions, and more, increasing brand awareness through short videos or live streams. Brands can interact with the target audience by advertising affiliate deals. Remember, people these days are moved more by what they see than what they read about. So take advantage of these mobile users. There is an old saying, and I quote, "A word is enough for the wise." We'll be looking at other ways to make money in 2023, and it's not just online. There are things around you that could make you become a millionaire, but you are unaware of them. Let us know what you think down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you, and bye for now.